Hi, I'm Dan, and that's a heron, not a real heron. Well, today I am here at the Rhuddlan Nature Reserve, so let's go take a little look around, see if we can find some any real wildlife and see what the main features are here. So let's go. So here we are, here's the start of our little tour of the Rhuddlan Nature Reserve. So we are going to head down towards the bottom of this path here, and I shall stop if we see anything interesting. So here we are here. So once upon a time, this area here, there actually used to be a railway station. So this is one of the main features still remaining from them. These are the original steps. And a little look around here. So a little bit of information there if you're about the railway. So if you're interested in your history, so there you go. Pause the video, have a little look at that. So if you do ever come and visit this nature reserve, so you've got a nice little seating area here where you come and have a nice picnic on a nice day. So we come to the end here now. So you've got a black path that will take you left, which will just take you towards the roads, but we're going to turn right here and we're going to head over. Well, we're going to go down this path, turn around, and there should be a nice pond there. See if we can find any wildlife. And here is our heron friend. So we're just going to head down to the bottom here now, and then if we turn left, we'll follow the path round, and that'll take us to a nice little pond area where hopefully we might see a bit of wildlife. And then after we've done that, I'll take us back right, and we'll go through the little forest area. Here we are, so we're just getting to the pond now. Let's see if there's anything for us to look at. Look what we have here. Swan. Not only just the one swan. We have a swan down here too. Looks like she's protecting her nest. So, if you are enjoying this content, please give it a like and consider subscribing, which helps massively and will encourage me to make more videos like these. So, now let's go check out this little forest area over here. So here is our little forest area. So let's take a little walk through. Come with me. So, thank you for coming along with me on our little walk through the Rhuddlan Nature Reserve. I shall see you on the next video, but I shall leave you with a little clip of the swans to finish. So, see you on the next one. Bye.